Welcome back to Crypto Intel, the channel where we break down the crypto market with clear analysis, real insights, and the latest developments shaping the future of digital finance. Right now, there's a number that keeps coming up in discussions around HBAR: $1. For some people, it sounds unrealistic, too far away, too optimistic, too early. But what if that assumption is exactly what makes this interesting? Because in crypto, big moves don't feel realistic before they happen. They feel unlikely until suddenly they're not. So the real question is $1 for HBAR actually closer than most people think? Today we're going to break everything down. We'll talk about what it would take for HBAR to reach $1, what the market structure suggests right now, how sentiment plays a role, and why timing matters more than most people realize. And if you enjoy crypto analysis, market insights, and deep dives into promising blockchain projects, make sure to subscribe to Crypto Intel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Let's start with something important. Price targets are not predictions. They are scenarios. They represent possibilities based on conditions, and those conditions can change, sometimes slowly, sometimes quickly. Now here's the key idea. Markets don't move in straight lines. They move in phases: accumulation, expansion, acceleration. And when a market enters expansion, things can move faster than expected. Now let's connect this to HBAR. Right now, HBAR is not at $1. That's obvious. But the path to higher levels doesn't start when price is already high. It starts when price is low and conditions begin to shift. Now, what kind of shift are we looking for? First, structure. If price starts forming higher lows, it suggests growing demand. Second, momentum. If the market begins to move with more consistency, it indicates strength. Third, attention. If more people start paying attention, capital follows. Now, here's where things get interesting. Most people wait for confirmation. They wait for clear trends. They wait for headlines. But by the time all of that appears, the move is already in progress. And that's why early phases matter, because they don't look exciting. They don't look obvious, but they create the foundation. Now let's talk about what it would take for HBAR to reach $1. It's not just about hype. It's about a combination of factors: market conditions, adoption, narrative, and timing. If these elements align, price can move further than expected. Now let's bring fundamentals into the picture. Hedera is positioned as infrastructure for real-world applications. It uses Hashgraph, offering speed, efficiency, and scalability. And while fundamentals don't create instant price moves, they support long-term growth. If adoption increases, the market may start valuing the network differently. Now let's talk about psychology, because this is where most people get it wrong. When price is low, people doubt. When price starts rising, people hesitate. And when price is high, people chase. This cycle repeats. And it's one of the reasons why many investors miss large moves. Now let's talk about scenarios. Scenario 1, gradual move. HBAR slowly builds momentum, moves through levels, and approaches higher targets over time. Scenario 2, acceleration. Market conditions align, attention increases, and price moves faster than expected. Scenario 3, delay. The market takes more time. Consolidation continues, and the move happens later. All of these are possible. But here's the key point. The path to $1 doesn't start at 90 cents. It starts much earlier, in phases that don't look significant, in moments that are easy to ignore. Now let's bring everything together. We have a project with strong fundamentals, a market that moves in cycles, and a target that seems far but not impossible. This creates a situation where perception matters, because if perception changes, price can follow. In my opinion, HBAR is currently in a phase where the market is not fully focused on long-term targets. But that can change, and when it does, things can move quickly. So the real question is $1 for HBAR far away or closer than it looks? Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you believe HBAR can reach $1, or is that still too early? And if you enjoyed this breakdown and want more crypto analysis, market insights, and deep dives into promising blockchain projects, don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Intel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.